All right, now that the house wash is done, the last bit we need to do is the flat work. I'm gonna be using my surface cleaner with heat. I typically don't set my heat above 160 degrees. It can be hard on the bearings. A lot of times go with no heat on the surface cleaner. If you got a good powerful machine with moving a lot of water, it has a lot of cleaning power. Today I am gonna use the heat because some of the buildup on here is pretty black. I'm gonna start pretty much right here in the middle of the driveway. One of the reasons I'm starting in the middle is because I want my water to run downhill. I don't really wanna work on a low spot and keep working my way uphill, and all that dirty water keeps running over my clean area. If you start at the top and work your way to the lowest point of the area you'll be surface cleaning, it will be an easier rinse for you. When I'm running a surface cleaner, I like to make as long paths as I can. So in this case, I'm gonna go all the way to the end and come all the way back up. Walking a certain speed to give me the most effective cleaning power. If I walk too fast with this thing, it's gonna leave stripes. If I walk too slow, I'm wasting my time. Dirtier driveways, I've found you have to go a little bit slower. Either that or go over it twice. Most of the time, I'd rather just walk slower and get it done on the first pass. Whenever I'm going with my surface cleaner, I give it a tiny bit of overlap from the first pass that I made. I'm coming up, I don't want it to be real big. If I accidentally miss a spot, I'm not gonna turn around and start moving my surface cleaner around trying to go back and touch up that one little spot. I'll just wait till I come back with my wand, and then I'll touch up that spot with the wand. This is a good example right here. You can see in this area right here, we've got these swirl marks. I've got more buildup on this area of the driveway, and so I need to slow it down a little bit. And you can see that I've got a few of these marks here. I've been going the same speed I have been on the rest of the driveway, but on that thicker buildup, it takes a little more to get it up. So I'll have to slow down in those areas if you're going too fast. You'll still get those stripes. If you notice you're doing that, take a step back, slow yourself down just a little bit, and then you can correct it. If it's just one small patch of stripes before I notice it, I'll just keep going, and then I'll come back with my wand and touch that up. I don't necessarily need to stop and go back up and run it back over with my surface cleaner. You can touch it up with the wand. So please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, hit the bell. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.